Hi guys, today's video is an unboxing of my new Gianvito Rossi boots. So I'm just gonna tell you a quick story. I actually bought these boots by accident. I was basically on matchesfashion.com, that's where I buy everything, and I was actually in my account, but I kind of forgot that all my information, my card information, were saved. So I don't know what happened, but it was basically in my shopping bag. But do you know how many shopping bags I create and I never buy? So it was basically in my shopping bag, and then I clicked on buy. I don't know why, it was an accident like I said, but it doesn't matter because usually you kind of have these steps, like you need to put your card info, your address and all these things. So when I clicked, I just saw thank you for your order. And I said, well, thank God it was the right size, hopefully. But we'll see. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep them because boots, I find them so tricky to buy online. They, you know, really need to fit super well. And I'm not super tall. I'm like 5'3", 5'4". So sometimes boots make me look shorter, like smaller, and that's not something I need in my life. But we'll see. So yeah, we're gonna get started. I'm just gonna open it, I'm gonna show you, and then at the end of the video, I'm actually going to try them and see. Hopefully they fit. We'll see. Okay, so let's get to it. My boots all inside this huge box. The name of these boots is Navare 85. Navare 85, I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm not sure. Okay, I don't know. We're just gonna open it. Also, quick thing, I usually select, because you have two options for the packaging on matchesfashion.com, I usually select the other one, which is a beautiful box from Matches Fashion that you can actually keep. But it was so quick and it was, like I said, an accident, so I couldn't select the one I wanted, but hopefully there's a lovely box from Gianvito Rossi already. We'll see. Oh, I'm never gentle when I open something, I don't know why. Oh my god, you kidding me. Okay, it's so big, I don't even know if you're gonna see it, but I'm just gonna show you. It's huge. Oh my god. Okay. Usually you have the Matches Fashion box with this design, this pattern. I'm opening it. I'm never gentle when I open something, by the way. The box of Gianvito Rossi is actually so nice. So nice. How gorgeous is this color? How gorgeous is this box? And it has this texture to it. It's so beautiful. So it says Gianvito Rossi Milano. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it. God knows that I never pronounce anything right. Every single time I'm filming a video, I'm like, is that how you pronounce it? I never know. But I think it's Gianvito Rossi, Milano. Okay, we'll see. Are you ready? Oh yes, you have a dust bag. Just the box itself is so pretty. Like, I just want to keep it just for the box. Maybe if they don't fit, I can just return the boots and keep the box and the dust bag, please. What you need to protect your boots. Every single time you buy designer shoes, put them in a dust bag. It's very, 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 very important, so you can just keep them in perfect shape. So this is super pretty. This is something I love. Tissue paper is beautiful. It's not white, it's actually like kind of a beige, pink color. It's beautiful. I love it. Ugh, the color is gorgeous. Oh, there we go. That's the shape. So it's not straight. That's the reason why I don't know if it's gonna fit, because straight, when it's like straight, they usually fit, but when they have like a shape like this, sometimes it looks super weird because of, like I said, my height. This is something you actually need to keep for sorry, for the shape of your boots. So never throw this, always keep them, and that's how you're gonna store them after. I'm guessing 85 is the height for the heel, and then it's dark brown suede boots that I love. It's pointy, which I like, and it's just drop dead gorgeous. It's beautiful. And that's it. That was the easiest, fastest unboxing of all time. And yeah, this is all I wanted to show you guys. Also, I bought them for I think the price was 1,800, but I bought them for 50% off. And this is the reason why I always go on Matches Fashion to buy my things. They have the most amazing sale. They have a sale section all the time, so I'm gonna put the link below. They have other colors. They have the black one and then a light beige one. They all look super nice, but I just felt like this one was the most unique and gorgeous one. This is just my personal taste, and I feel like it's gonna go with so many of my things. This is actually beautiful when you wear it with, you know, black outfit. It just kind of gives that little pop of color. It's not really a color. I mean, it is a color, but you know what I mean. It's not like red, obviously. But yeah, it's gorgeous. So we'll see. We're gonna try them. Hopefully they look good, and I look pretty when I wear them. We'll see. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm so excited to wear them. Even though it was an accident, I think I'm gonna keep them because I really like them already. If you like my video, thumbs up is always appreciated, or comment below if you need any more information about these boots, or if you want to see something else in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you super soon. Bye guys.